What's up, people? I just got in here. Try to get me a glass of water. Let me show you what I do with my water. That's where I go, because me and Miss Jenny travel a lot. This is Roving Blue. It looks like an ink pen, but it's actually an ozone pen. It's totally rechargeable. And we tried it one night, we got 80 shots. You see the little blue light? Watch when I turn that light on. See? Now it's making ozone. And ozone is actually 8 times stronger than chlorine. And the after effects of ozone is oxygen. So there's nothing to hurt you. And if y'all see me, I dip my meat in ozonated water and everything. What it does, kills all bacteria and germs and stuff. And it makes it good to drink. It'll kill a lot of the odors and bad stuff in your waters. It just makes the water taste better, actually. But just knowing it kills all of your bacteria and germs and stuff in the water. Y'all seen me before. I use this in the swamp and actually dip water out of the swamp, run my pen through it and drink it. And me and Jen travel overseas with this and everywhere. Like I say, the cap comes off. It's a USB plug-in right there on the end. It's totally rechargeable. And it's a good product. Roving Blue. Look them up.